Hey guys, it's Courtney with S&K Designs, and today I'm back with another tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a Hershey purse, but this time I will be using my Cricut machine. Some of the supplies you would need is cardstock, a glue gun or adhesive tape, regular glue, and your bead or chain, a 10-inch chain. I'm going to be using the gold one you see here. This paper pad I got at Michael's, and I decided I'm going to use a pattern cardstock. So I think I'm going to go with this pattern here. And it has a little glitter and flowers on it. And this is what it is on the back side. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the template I'll be using to cut out our Hershey purse here. I did get this off my Cricut Access. The size for this template is 7.25 in width and 7.75 in height. So now let me show you exactly where I got the template from so you'll be able to pull it up. I'm on my Cricut home page. So if you go in the search box and type in pebble clutch, okay, and then I'm going to hit search. And if you scroll down to where it says Cricut projects, the first one right here, the pebble fold leather clutch, that's the one, that's the template that I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then you would hit customize. Okay, so that's how you would bring up your template. And here it is. So now that I have my template up in size to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and click on Make It. And it'll bring it to the mat. Just going to slide it over a little bit. And first it's going to score these dotted lines into the cardstock. That way it'll be easy to fold your Hershey purse. And then we're going to come down here and hit continue. And I have my material set to cardstock. And I'm going to go ahead and load my cardstock onto my mat. So I have it here loaded onto my mat. I also have my scoring tool loaded into my Cricut machine because it's going to score the cardstock first, and then cut it. And I have my dial turned to cardstock. So let's load it up. And then we're going to hit C so it can begin scoring. And now it's cutting out the template for us. And it's all done. All right, so now we're going to fold our Hershey purse together. The machine already scored the lines where we need to fold it at. Sometimes it's hard to see. I'm gonna use my bone folder to help me see where it needs to be folded. So do that side first. second side. Like I said, it's hard to see sometimes where it needs to be folded. Okay, let's see it. All right, right along this crease right here. And then there is a crease at the top for the flap. All right, so make sure we fold all our creases. All right, so this is what it's looking like so far. All right, so I have my Hershey bar here already wrapped. If you saw my previous Hershey purse video, you would see how I wrapped it. Simple, just like a present. So we're gonna place it in here just to see how it's going to fit. All right, that fits pretty good. So let me take this out and we're going to glue the sides. So I'm going to be using my craft glue. And I'm going to just glue a little bit on the sides. Ooh, maybe too much. And also on the other side. All right, and then you're just gonna fold that back, push in the sides. And hold it down for a little bit. So I'm going to use my glue gun instead of the craft glue because I think it'll stick a little better with the hot glue. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the sides. And carefully fold that over without burning myself. You just want to press down and make sure that it dries pretty good. So we have hot glued the sides down and I put my Hershey bar inside, so it kind of looks like this. So now we're going to add our chain, and you can do a chain of 10 inches. So I'm going to hot glue the chain to the purse as well. So we want to open this up, and we're going to put a little glue right here in the crease. And we're going to add our chain. I usually do like the first 3 or 4 links. So do that and press on that. And kind of let that dry. And you're going to bring it around. And do the same on the other side. A little bit of hot glue. And place our chain right there. And press down on it. And we'll let that sit for a little bit so it can dry. So now we're going to use our hook and loop stick-on fasteners, should I say that fast, to close the purse. And I got these at Hobby Lobby in the sewing section. So we're going to stick this part right here where the little dot is at on the bottom. So that'll be there. Okay. And this part will go right here in the front. Or what you can do actually, just to make sure it lines up, is go ahead and place this directly on top of the bottom part. And then stick it down. So when you pull it up, it'll already be in place. Just like that. Oops. Looks like I'm gonna have to re-glue this chain again. All right, guys, so I have a few embellishments here that I'm going to be using as a decorative piece for the front of the purse. So I have these self-stick gems, and I also have these flower like gemstones. I think I'm gonna go with the flower gemstones and put this right here on the front of the purse. All right, so here it is. All I'm gonna do is hot glue this onto the front of the purse, and that'll be my little embellishment. I'm just gonna go around the center. And then place it directly in the middle. And let that sit for a little bit. All right, guys, so here we have our Hershey purse. I hot glued the embellishment on the front, and this is what it looks like. Very pretty. You can use this as a favor for a bridal shower or like a Mother's Day luncheon or even a baby shower. These came out really cute. And you just open it like that. And there's your Hershey bar inside. Very cute. All right, until next time, I'll see you guys later.